Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. Welcome to QuickBooks Online Payroll. Here you can pay your employees and have QuickBooks automatically pay and file your payroll taxes on your behalf. Let's go over where everything is in QuickBooks Online Payroll. Select the Payroll tab. Overview. This is where you pay your team. If you just signed up for QuickBooks Online Payroll, you can use the list of tasks to set up payroll correctly. You can also get help from our setup guide or check out videos to help you start. After you've run payroll for the first time, this page shows shortcuts to commonly used functions, like adding employees and editing payroll items. And you'll see the status of your automatic taxes in auto payroll, as well as employee milestones. From the Employees tab, you see a list of your employees you've added to QuickBooks, and important facts about them, like pay rate and how you pay them. If you want more detail, select an employee. If you hire a new employee, select Add an Employee to set them up. This is also where you can invite employees to QuickBooks Workforce so they can view their paychecks, paid time off, and W-2s online. You can pay employees from this screen as well, and if you ever need to run payroll just for bonuses, use this button. The Contractors tab is where you track the contractor's use in 1099s. From here, you can set up new contractors or pay them with a check or direct deposit. QuickBooks Online Payroll also helps you choose a workers' comp plan and choose employee benefits like health insurance and retirement plans using our benefits partners. If you use Payroll Premium or Elite, you can use the HR Advisor to help you hire and onboard employees, set policies, and more. Use the Compliance tab to read the latest news from federal and state agencies on taxes and other payroll rules. Select Taxes, Payroll Tax. This is where QuickBooks alerts you to anything that needs attention or is coming up in the future for tax payments and tax filing. This is also where you can see and print 941 forms, state forms, and W-2s as well as past payments. If you want QuickBooks to automatically pay and file your taxes and forms, go to the Payroll Overview page to see setup tasks you may still need to complete. If you use Payroll Premium or Elite, you can use the Time tab to see who's working and where, enter time, and approve employee time. Select Reports, and go to the Payroll section to run reports on payroll tax liabilities, total payroll cost, and more. To see your payroll preferences, select Settings, Payroll Settings. This is where you set up Auto Payroll, automated tax payments and form filings, request an increase to direct deposit limits, map payroll expenses and deductions to accounts on your chart of accounts, and more. You can also use the Settings menu to change your subscription and billing info. If you want to provide employees access to QuickBooks, select Manage Users to add them. Check out this video to learn more about how to set up users. Now you're ready to start using QuickBooks to manage your payroll.